Hey everyone, today we're showcasing the top 5 best food processors that'll make meal prep a breeze. From chopping to slicing, these food processors will save you time and energy in the kitchen. The KitchenAid KFC 16516 IC 3.5 cup food chopper in ice blue is a compact and efficient kitchen tool designed for easy meal prep. With a 3.5 cup work bowl featuring a locking blade, handle, and pour spout, it makes serving simple and mess-free. The bowl is also dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. This food chopper offers 2 speeds and a pulse option, allowing you to achieve coarse or fine results, whether you're making chunky salsa, smooth sauces, or creamy hummus. The drizzle basin ensures easy incorporation of liquids for dressings, while the stainless steel multi-purpose blade locks in place for precise chopping and pureeing. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is a powerful kitchen tool with a 720-watt motor perfect for chopping, dicing, shredding, and kneading dough. The large 14-cup Lexan bowl and extra-large feed tube make food prep quick and easy, while the included stainless steel slicing, shredding, and chopping blades are dishwasher safe. It also features a 5-year motor warranty. Whether you're making dips, soups, or dough, this food processor has you covered. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor is a compact and powerful 3-cup chopper perfect for everyday use. With a 350-watt motor and stainless steel blades, it easily chops, minces, purees, and emulsifies ingredients like onions, carrots, nuts, and more. Just press to chop and release to stop. The bowl, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Ideal for small meals, this chopper is powerful yet compact, making it perfect for quick prep and easy storage. The Ganiza Electric Food Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool featuring 2 8-cup bowls, 1 glass and 1 stainless steel, perfect for chopping meat, vegetables, nuts, and even frozen fruits. Powered by a 450W full copper motor, this food processor offers 2-speed control and comes with 2 sets of stainless steel S-blades for efficient chopping and grinding. Its patented safety design ensures the blades stop immediately when the motor is removed, offering peace of mind while you work. With easy-to-use functions and a safety lock, it simplifies meal prep and is easy to clean, making it the ideal tool for everyday cooking tasks. The NutriBullet Triple Prep System is a versatile kitchen tool designed to handle all your blending and food processing needs. Equipped with a high-performance 1500-watt motor, it easily blends smoothies, purees, nut milks, and more, while also offering precision for slicing, shredding, chopping, and kneading dough. The system features a 7-cup food processor bowl with dual-size pushers and stackable blades for easy storage. Its vessel recognition technology adjusts settings for each attachment, ensuring optimal results.